Hello friends, welcome to the Ryzen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Orange Meow R15 gaming laptop. So friend, Colorful is unveiling its first AMD-based laptop under the Colorfire brand, a name that should be well known among graphics enthusiasts for its previous Red GPU release. And friend, while the company had shifted its focus exclusively to the GeForce series for a few years, the Colorfire brand has later refurbished with unique design including distinctive blue and pink models, followed by eye-catching Meow series features, orange and purple variants. So friend, Colorful has been actively working on a new laptop design within the Meow brand, and this laptop is equipped with either Ryzen 7 7735H or Ryzen 7 8845HS, both boasting 8 cores but based on different architectures Gen 3 plus Gen 4, and the company plans to launch two systems with the following configuration and pricing details. Recent links suggest that the 16-inch version of the laptop in the pipeline, although it had not been released yet. And friend, the R15 laptop will be available either GeForce RTX 4050 or RTX 4070 graphics with no mention of the RTX 4060 option. Notably, the RTX 4070 laptop boasts a 140-watt TGP unrestricted by NVIDIA Max-Q technology, and in terms of display, the 15.6-inch screen supports a 2.5K resolution at a 165Hz refresh rate, and there is a 1080p option with a slightly lower 144Hz refresh rate, and the laptop features an orange LED adhering to design set by the GeForce RTX 40 Orange Cat series. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.